gonna play this game. My gaming cafe. Uh, Look at this. So I get the golden keyboard, a diamond. Bro, start a PC. Bro. Yeah. Alright, so I guess I upgrade this pad and not multiplayer. So I got the gaming monitor. Start again, and then let's see how lucky I am. I'm not lucky because this one is only. Oh. Anyways, bro, give me a chance. Bro, I think I just lagged. Bro, finally I can upgrade. Hey, you a double one? Hey, you wanna spin? Which one? Bro, you really joking me. Oh, never mind. Give me that. Guys, you don't need a money to pay. Just need to get the NPC or monitor. Like, anyways, bro, what just happened? I'll get another. Bro, this is too expensive. Mm, basic PC. I'll get it, but return. Alright, do it again. And then this time, oh, bro, keyboard. Bro, which one has pro? Which one has pro? Choose you because you don't have so many lucky ones that you had. Okay, let's see. The decorations shop has stock. What is your burger? Bro, it even add decorations. Even a table, buy tape. Bro, what's my inventory? This, uh, bro, which one has already? The place table. Nah, they do it all. Use this one instead. You do not. There. 3% money. Oh, okay. Alright, let's go, let's go. Guys, not popping in comments. Thanks a lot. But don't forget. No, nah, dude, this is common. How did I still get the unlucky one? Nah, dude. Bro, I mean, uncommon. Yeah, totally. Anyway, yeah, totally. Dude, literally turn into a piece of cake. Bro, it's doing that. Stop doing that right now, dude. Gamer monitor. What happens if I turn the basic monitor to a gamer? Bro, it's only three. There we go. I replace it, and then finally the gamer. Bro, this somebody has it. Replace PC. There, so you can make your own videos right now, like me. Comment below if you make videos in Roblox. And if you make me like, nah, it's gonna go the cake again. I'll go. Alright, let's try again. Bro, this is their try to scare me. Your gaming cafe works online. Oh, so if I am disconnected, That's why I got disconnected. Oh, finally! Okay, now let's turn into a gamer. Switch on as a notes. Oh, you, girl. Anyways, what's my inventory? Place chair. You done? Bro, you literally don't know how to go outside because you're on behind the desk, okay? Bro, nobody is working. Finally, they appear from the sky. They are working so hard. Cash multiplier, luck multiplier. Bro, so many cheap. Alright, alright. Why did the sick luck appear? Nah, dude, I need to get another one. Okay, right now the golden keyword, my favorite. Bro. 1 in 167. Nah, dude, don't tell me that is like this. This is a gaming monitor too. I mean, gaming PC. Nah, right now. Bro, why is there? Oh, bro. How many times did I have to tell you? Bro, 200k? Bro, what just happened? Alright, finally, it's connected. Right now, I am gonna make sure to be rich and powerful as money. But wait, Philippines don't make money, so we're gonna show love. Guys, kung below sila. Or USA actually, to speak USA, or different language, like Ola. This is Italian. Bro, this is one of my favorites now. Bro, I will replace our. Yay! That's 165. Sorry, I kind of yawn. Anyways, I'll buy another cake. Bro, let's see how. Bro, it's only have the last lucky one. Oh no, it's like thunderstorm. I'm gonna go! Bro, thank you guys for like and subscribe because I got a diamond monitor. Ocean monitor. Thank you! This one seems rare. Anyways, bro, I got the legendary. Guys, comment below if you had this for Roblox game. I choose this one because it's taking always work so hard. 450. Okay, right now I'm gonna get sure. Bro. Okay, stop dislike and unsubscribe. I am gonna be rich. Anyway, look at my money. So cheap. But wait a second. Give me a second. Guys, I'll skip this. Okay. What you already like? Do subscribe now. Bro, I finally did it. Thank you for liking, subscribe, and click the bell. There we go. Sorry, my big brother. Now it's not. Bro, how much is it? 40? I'll place the gaming. Goodbye, bro. And then the next one is another bro. Like it's working. There we go. Bro, this is diamond. Like a diamond that even a fun that could game one warm. There's thunderstorm. Okay, same. Now let's do it again. Do it again then. Yes! I got another diamond monitor. Ocean monitor. I like it too. Finally. Get it. Bro, this is the developer. Daddy, why didn't you accept you? Why did you not just get how many times I proposed? Bro, just tell me the things. Bro, yeah. So what is there? Basic monitor again? I just yawned. Sorry, dude. Right now, I'm going to you me. Alright, never mind. Give me a pro gamer then. Bro, I'll just wait. Bro, monitor. It would be. Bro, stop it. I literally know with this new PC, I could buy this table. Finally, I got this. I got this. I got this. Where is it? Mission completed. Golden PC and golden stuff completed. Right now, sorry guys. Kinda wonder if I do that. Decoration shop again. And I was a beanbag chair. Let me buy it, of course. Right now. Bro, we're gonna replace your own chair. And this is how you sit? What your bug is gone. How you alright, alright. Alright. It was a joke. Okay? Don't be a kitty. Bro, I like kitty. Stay right. 300? Oh, 3,000? Bro. Yes. Finally, I can replace it. Kitty. Finally, I had 100K. Now we gotta upgrade for just one. Now, bro, why did you change it? Can I try again, please? Nah, dude. So bye bye guys. If you want part 2, then I'll make another video then.